Okay, here's an update on the PowerBook i5 Pro. I went ahead and I resoldered the headers on the Teensy board. Let's see what we get now. Works great. So, I've got every key. Every key is working now. Let's see, what about my caps? Caps is working. All right. Well, there it is. How beautiful is that? You know what? Take a look at this. 1994, 2013. This is more powerful than this. Oh. And I don't know if you noticed in the other videos, but the keyboard looked all wonky. I figured it out. What it was is the logic board attached to the same mounting stud as the keyboard. And with the logic board gone, that meant I needed a spacer on this side, which I have now. Yeah, that's why I was going to build a amplifier to go in there. But, oh, that's okay. I can use the headphone jack. But that sound really is anemic, isn't it?